Here we have the equation 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. One possible rearrangement of this is x is equal to minus 2/5 x cubed plus 2x squared minus 1. This provides us with the iteration formula xn plus 1 is equal to minus 2/5 of xn cubed plus 2 times xn squared minus 1. What we can see here on the graph is y equals x and y equals the g of x, which is the minus 2/5 times x cubed plus 2x squared minus 1. We know the x-coordinate of this point of intersection is equal to the solution to the original equation. So if we can find this x-coordinate, we've solved the original equation. We're going to do this using our iteration. We take our first value x0 as 0.5. We then calculate g of x at this point. You can see this on the graph. Our initial x value was 0.5 and we evaluated the curve minus 2/5 of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 1 with x equal to 0.5 and we get 0.15. This 0.15 needs to be our next input value for x. So we take a line across to y equals x and you can see this lands at an x value of 0.15. We repeat the process. 0.15 is substituted in to the g of x formula, giving us 0.38065. We continue. We use 0.38065 as our next input value. So we go across to y equals x, so that this is our next input, and evaluate the curve at this x-coordinate. We use this output as our next input. We calculate, and we use this output as our next input. And we continue. This is called a cobweb. Since it's finding the root, it's called a cobweb success. If we continue, you can see we will spiral in towards the root. Key to success with this iteration is the gradient of the blue curve, the curve y equals g of x, in the neighbourhood of the root. If the gradient is between minus 1 and 1 in this region, we'll get success. If it's outside this region, we'll get a failure, and we'll see this in the next example.